Hi, so if you ever tried to consolidate data from folder, so like this one, I have 350 file in this particular folder, and I want to combine all the data from all of those Excel file. Okay, so I can just give you this. You can see that I have 350 Excel files in this section, and I have data in those Excel file, and I need to combine all the data from those files. And I have two different way to combine this data. One is this Table.Combine and another one is Table.Expand table column. And if I try to refresh this one, then you'll see that if I just refresh, it will give some, like logging that how many kilobyte is collected from different workbook, but it will never finish. Basically, I tried for more than an hour to refresh this entire query, and it was not done. Like, it takes forever to complete this process, and at the end it throw an error that I couldn't combine the data. It got some error message. So let me show you this code for this one, and I'll put this file link in the video description so you can try on your own to combine this data. So let me just show you the Power Query code for this one. So basically this line, table.expand table column. So what I'm trying to do is just basically, let me cancel this refresh. So I have data in this come on. Let me close this code and cancel refresh. Now let me try. Okay, so if you look at this, I have file name and data from that specific file, and like this, I have in some of this table I have like 10 rows, in some of them I have 0 rows and so on. And basically what I am doing in this step is like just clicking on this and saying okay, give me this. Okay, now let me show you. So basically table.expand table column. Okay, and I'm just doing that in this section, but when I try to do this in this step, it was taking forever. Basically I'm not like hard coding this particular column names, so that's why when it's trying to figure out column names from all of those Excel file, because in some of these Excel file we may have one column, but in another one we don't have that particular column. So I'm just trying to figure out all the column name from all of those Excel file, and this is the list of those unique column name. And when we try to expand this, it taking it takes forever. But it's taking more than hour. But we can do this same thing using Table.Combine. So basically this Table.Combine is on the rescue, where we failed to load this data from like 350 Excel file. So Table.Combine, all the code are same, like we have this, and then remove column, we get the column name to expand, and at the end we are just saying that okay, Table.Combine, and this is the column name, and this is the final output column names, and this is the column where we have the tables. So basically it's super fast than Table.Expand table column. Like I can just show you that I can just refresh this, and it will refresh within I guess 20 to 30 seconds. It doesn't take like more than an hour and so on, as this one Table.Expand table column takes. and I only have 838 rows, but this one takes like hour of time, and it doesn't finish refreshing. So I think if you want to combine data from multiple file, like from a folder, this is the way. If you are trying to expanding table columns, instead of expanding that, use Table.Combine. Thank you.